Welcome to Data Playground. In this lesson, I'm going to show you 2 ways to use clickable hyperlinks and how to display images from URLs inside your Power BI report. Let's start with looking at the dataset. We have data of some YouTube videos published on Data Playground. The dataset contains the video titles, the links to the videos, and the image URL of each video's thumbnail. Now in our report, we have a table containing a list of all of the videos. To add the video links to the table, let's move the URL to the table. We notice that these URL are not clickable. To make these URL into clickable hyperlinks, click on the URL column. On that data category, change this to web URL. Now you see that the video hyperlinks become clickable. We can take this a step further by going into the Format tab. On that URL icon, turn on the values. And this will turn the URL field into icons that are clickable. Now let's add the thumbnails to this table. We're going to drag the image URL into the table. And we see that it's just a text for now. To convert this to display as images, click on the image URL column. On that data category, change this from uncategorized to image URL. And this will display the images of our YouTube videos. We can change the size of the image by going to the Format tab, go to Image Size, and let's change this to 60 by 120. And you can see the YouTube thumbnail image is displayed and the URL to the videos become clickable. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to add a specific clickable link. Say I want you to go to Data Playground's homepage when you click on this image icon or on this shape. To do so, I'll click on the image icon, turn on Actions, then select Web URL and paste the URL I want to be directed to. I'm going to do the same for the shape as well. Now when you click on the header or the icon, it will open Data Playground's homepage. If you found this video helpful, check out my other Power BI and Excel videos right here on this channel. The link to this dashboard is in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep mastering data, and I'll see you in the next lesson.